In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize checkout page on Wix. Customizing your checkout page can make the buying experience feel more like your brand. It can also help you present the right business information and the right layout for your customers. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go in your Wix dashboard, what menus to open, and how to apply your changes. First, open your Wix dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage your site and its settings. Once you are logged in, look for the area that lists your sites or projects. Choose the site that you want to customize because the checkout settings apply to the specific website you are editing. Take a moment to confirm you are on the right site before you continue. Next, click Settings in the left menu. The left side menu is where Wix groups the most common site controls, so this is the easiest path to the right options. After you click Settings, you may see several categories or sections appear on the screen. This is normal, and it is how Wix keeps your settings organized. Now you are ready to move into the part of the dashboard that controls business-related checkout details. Then select Business Info. This is the section that usually contains information about your business presentation. It can include how your business details appear during checkout and which business options are connected to the ordering flow. When you click Business Info, pay attention to the content that appears because this is where Wix will show the choices related to your checkout page category and layout. After that, click the category that matches your business. Wix typically offers different categories depending on what type of business you run. Choosing the correct category helps Wix tailor the checkout experience to your situation. On screen, look for the options that are presented as categories and select the one that best matches your business type. This step matters because it ensures the checkout page reflects the right structure and the right kind of information for the way you sell. Now choose from the available layout portfolio. This is where you can select a layout style for the checkout page. Wix will present a set of layout options, often shown as previews, so you can see what the checkout page will look like before applying anything. Spend a brief moment comparing the layouts and select the one that feels most aligned with your branding and customer experience. If you prefer a cleaner look, pick a simpler layout. If you want a more styled presentation, choose the layout that offers the look you want. Once you have chosen the layout you want, click Save to apply your changes. This is the final action that confirms your settings. After clicking Save, Wix will process your update, and your checkout page customization will be applied based on the business info category and layout you selected. Finally, after saving, you can take a quick moment to ensure the changes appear as expected. The goal here is to feel confident that your checkout page is updated properly. If there is a preview option, or if you can view the checkout experience from your site, use it to confirm the layout and business info are correct. And that covers everything you need to know. That is all there is to it.